Master the third conditional. Speak English like a pro. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're going to delve into a special part of English grammar known as the third conditional. This grammar rule might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the third conditional correctly, and it will help you express yourself more naturally in English. The third conditional is used to talk about hypothetical situations or actions in the past that didn't happen, and to imagine the result of these non-occurring events. Remember, these are unreal past situations. They didn't happen, but we can still dream, right? Let's talk about how to construct the third conditional. The formula is quite simple. If plus past perfect would have plus past participle. For instance, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. In this example, the speaker did not study hard and did not pass the exam. But they're imagining a different outcome in the past if things had been done differently. Let's break this structure down a bit. 1. If plus past perfect. This is the if clause. It refers to the hypothetical situation or action that did not happen in the past. Example: if I had studied harder, 2. Would have plus past participle. This is the result clause. It imagines the result if the hypothetical situation or action had occurred. Example: I would have passed the exam. Remember, we're imagining an alternative past reality here. Now let's take a look at a few more examples. If she had woken up earlier, she would have caught the bus. If you had told me about the party, I would have attended. Remember, you can also switch the clauses without changing the meaning. She would have caught the bus if she had woken up earlier. I would have attended the party if you had told me about it. Now, it's your turn to try. Write down a few sentences using the third conditional structure. Practice makes perfect. That's all for today's lesson on the third conditional. Remember, the key is to keep practicing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Keep using the third conditional structure we've learned today to imagine different outcomes to past events. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Thanks for watching, and happy English learning!